745 from all the Pirelli towns. Plus I'm looking yellow fly. That's what got these flying. Could it be they see me pull up in the G-phone, stuck like an evil soul, flossy in my street clothes. That's what got these flying.
You get sick dick. Sarah giving me head. I'm gonna pump you with lead. Sarah, shut up before I hit you in the lip, bitch. Shut up. Thought I heard something. We about bitches and hoes.
Hey!
We about bitches.
Boy!
Dad!
Hey,
I'm
boy.
trying to rap here!
Boy, I'm trying to bang on your door so I can come in and talk to you, boy.
Can you wait? Sarah's on my dick!
What?
Just wait!
Hey!
Dad! Sarah!
Boy, pull up your pants.
Dad!
Yo, wipe your mouth off. Wipe your mouth off and get out of my house. Leave the dome alone and go home.
Dad, what the fuck, man? No. I'm glad you're in here, man. I need to talk to you. What do you give me for my birthday, man? Give me, man.
Boy, you're gonna make me proud.
Yeah?
It's gonna make me even prouder when I see the look on your face. Boy, take a look outside, see what I got.
Yeah.
Tell me what's up. Tell me what's up there, boy.
Dad,
Tell me
my
what you-
Sebring!
I traded it in for something more useful, boy.
Dad, there's a lawnmower where my Sebring used to be!
Oh, now you don't have no excuses when it comes to cutting my grass.
Dad! Dad!
Boy, instead of sitting on your fat, hairy ass smoking grass, you can cut the grass for some money.
How am I supposed to drive a lawnmower to work? Dad!
Boy, you're gonna be looking like a nigga making payments on my grass every morning while you're cutting it on your way to
I'm not cutting your
work.
grass, Dad! I'm not cutting your fucking grass! Because you don't approve of what I do. You don't make Vincent do it?
Boy, this is successful.
With what? He's not a rapper like me!
Boy,
I'm
that's-
going places, man! I'm getting a record deal!
Boy, the only place you going is the dollar bin at Best Buy. Nobody gives a damn about Sick Vic, the Spick, Killer Cam, the Ham. No one gives a damn.
Dad!
I can rhyme too, boy.
Shut up!
No.
Dad! Dad, listen! Where the fuck is my Sebring? I was still making payments on that!
Now you're gonna be making
Dad!
payments on my grass, boy.
Dad! Dad!
Let me tell you something right now, boy.
Dad!
I don't appreciate you making a spectacle out of all the neighbors, right?
Fuck the neighbors, man! Where the fuck is my Sebring?
Boy,
What the fuck you gonna do, Dad?
boy, don't yell at don't
I'm not
yell at me,
fucking
boy.
Dad.
Boy,
Whose dog is this?
you either cut my grass or I beat that ass. How
What
about
the fuck
that?
you gonna do, Dad? What the fuck you gonna do?
Boy,
Dad!
I told you to cut the motherfucking grass, boy. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. You want me up that ass? Cut the grass.
Dad!
Cut my fucking grass, boy.
Dad! What the fuck, Dad?
See this?
What the
What the fuck? What the fuck? Boy. Take it for a spin. Take it for a spin.
I don't want it!
See, you heard a road. See, Sarah can give you road hand in the mower. She can give you road mower.
Dad! Dad, no!
She can give you hand while you're on the move. Say
No.
so. Come here.
Dad! Dad, what is this?
Get your stupid ass over here. Suck his dick.
What's this knife for Dad?
See, ha-da-da. Now you chop. No more ha-da. It's cha-cha-cha.
Dad!
All right, boy. You want to cut my grass?
You hit me!
You cut my motherfucking grass.
Dad!
Stop all that rapping
Dad, what
and
the
get
fuck?
the cutting.
What the? No, Dad! I'm not gonna cut your damn grass! You don't know what it's
Boy,
like.
we just done with this rap shit, boy. Think, son. Boy, look at me, boy.
Dad!
You suck.
What?
You suck at rap.
Dad!
The only thing you're good at is lying to your friends, fucking the girlfriends behind the back.
Dad! I don't do that, Dad! I don't fucking do that, man! Dude!
Boy.
I go down the street every night!
Boy, look
Burn it out!
Boy.
I burn the mufflers!
Boy, look
Dad!
what you brought on this family, boy. Look what you brought on
What
the
did
family.
What did I do?
You got Tommy burning nigger streets all up and down my block. I can't sleep. You're looking out your window like a little bitch every time you hear a fucking motor. You know how that makes me feel, boy.
Dad, don't tell the neighbors that.
I hear your big, hairy, Bigfoot ass stomping to the window. Every time I hear something, it wakes me up. I gotta sleep.
Dad,
And
that's not true.
Where's this dumbass girl at? Sarah!
Dad,
Sarah!
Dad, you leave Sarah out of this, man. She didn't do shit. She's stupid. She's fucking stupid.
And now this girl is over here every night sucking your dick.
Yes.
Why, boy? Can't you get...
I like head, Dad.
And I like sleep, I like peace and quiet, I love space in my own home. I can't have that space in my home while this dumb bitch is giving you dome. Alright, boy?
Okay, then. Okay. Sarah,
No.
Sarah, go home. Go home, Sarah. Go home, Sarah. Sarah, you're stupid. Go home.
Now, boy, take the counter down. It's not 2005 anymore.
Dad.
It's not
Dad,
2005.
no, man. I'm a rapper, man. I'm a rapper. This is who I be. This is who I be, Dad. This is who I be.
At midnight I go ride, looking for niggas to blast on with a Glock cock, with the hammer pull back, blue lumberjack with that mask on. That sound, gotta get that money, gotta get that cheese with ease. Gotta break them all proper, gotta clock them G's. So please, one time if you don't mind, hang by yourself tonight. I'm drilling up on you left to right. It's finna be your death tonight. I gotta have your assets. When I pull up with the motherfucking sound, get out your ride, show me your stash, give me your cash, drop off that bong, bustin' at you, bitch. Giving you for your riches. And if you resist robbery, bitch, you get stitches. And this is a 187 211 case. Take all your shit and then after they clip in your motherfucking face. Erase you off the map cause I got a habit of committing murder. Bloody body. Then when I'm finished I'm ready to hurt another nigga. That figure is bigger so I'm